All right, now continuing to question number 2. The question asks, a student placed 2 grams of baking soda in a balloon and 100 milliliters of vinegar in an iron Mayer flask. After stretching the opening of the balloon across the neck of the flask, the student raised it up to dump the baking soda into the flask. He immediately observed foaming bubbles in the flask and the balloon began to expand. The student concluded that, okay, so if we don't know what an iron Myers flask is, we rarely use them in science lab, but it's one of these guys. And it's exactly what the problem was asking for, that there's vinegar inside, and then inside the balloon, there's some baking soda, and we put the opening of the balloon over the flask, the neck of the flask, and then at the end, we let the baking soda mix with the vinegar, and we all know that when you mix baking soda with vinegar, you get some type of chemical reaction. Now, for this, I need you to read the answer choices carefully, okay? Because this is the first thing that should pop up into your brain. First of all, that there's a chemical reaction occurring, right? But, remember, country girls like their phones. G stands for gas. Remember? G stands for gas. How do we know if a chemical reaction such as gas has been produced? Well, bubbles form, there's fizzing, so on and so forth, right? Okay. Notice your answer choices, guys. Notice your answer choices. Which of these shows that a chemical reaction occurred and that there's a reaction or evidence of that chemical reaction, such as gas forming? What is that called? Okay. Hopefully, and again, make sure to answer this question and justify.